Day one, started pressure washing the crib off because you can't have a dirty house for the 4th because after getting the crib all cleaned up, it was time to clear out the spot for the Elko to go. Don't mind my long ass lines on the weed whacker, I was just trying to get some shit done. For the cool uncle lure, I did this while it was 90 degrees out, so leaf blower had to be a fan for the day. Now let's go grab that Elko. Today's pretty simple, just removing the body kit that was installed. After some burgers and Modelo's, it's time to finally get to taking this body kit off. Almost every panel showing some signs of wear, and they're all gonna get fixed in later videos. Woo, and right here that heat started getting to me. Luckily all the panels came off relatively easy. They're all just held on with some screws or bolts. This trim on the door was a little bit harder to take off just because the 3 bolts were inside the door frame, but knocked it out, no problem. Did the same thing on the other side, but forgot to record it. While I'm down here sweating my ass off, drop a comment. Let me know what mods I should do to the El Camino. Now we got to your grandpa's favorite part of the video, taking the fender skirts off. I couldn't tell you why, but all boomers hate them. Prove me wrong. As I take off this final piece, that classic look is starting to grow on me a little bit.
Hell yeah, brother. Mission accomplished.
The El Camino is looking completely different without that body kit on. It looks so much smaller, but more like a truck. Tell me what y'all think. Should I keep the kit off? Let me know in the comments.
I am unstopped right now, bro. Super happy.
Appreciate y'all staying to the end of the video. This is my first of many vlogs on this 79 El Camino rebuild. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Much more to do inside and out. Also, go follow me on Instagram at 79_Elky. And go drop a comment about some future videos you guys want to see. Peace.